Hey guys, welcome to another video or vlog or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and head to my friends. We're gonna have a MIATA over there and work on something I broke. And where I'm going, there's also another MIATA that's really sick. You guys are gonna love it, turbo and everything. It looks beautiful. But we're gonna go ahead, head over there and show you guys the place around. It's just another chill hangout day. Today's not really gonna be us working on this little MIATA. See why I really want to put the hardtop on so bad? Well, there's a reason why. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head over there and just hang out for a bit and show you guys around the cars that's over there. Alright guys, so he bought a new Mishimoto radiator. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys it, and we're gonna go ahead and help him out with installing the radiator in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what he got. It's actually really nice, but I'm just gonna give you guys like a little preview. I'm not really gonna give you guys a step-by-step, but I'll just show you the progress, how it goes and how it looks. But yeah. So we weren't able to install the radiator that he bought because the automatic one runs another line to the transmission somewhere down there, that one right there. So the one that he ordered doesn't come with the extra line to be able to connect it. So make sure whenever you're ordering one of these that if you have an automatic, you need to make sure that it has a line that connects to it, so then it can be able to work obviously and cool your transmission. You're just gonna have to plug back everything back in and then just call it a day. Alright guys, well I'm gonna just leave it like that, short, sweet, and simple. I know it was a short video, but I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it at that and just call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video, you know, showing around the cars I just pulled up and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.